Gula ugly no blood clot and me a 60 and Gula you no look like me. My pussy kicking on your blood clot cocky done. Cause you fuck out America. You can't come back. Bumbo hole. You suck pussy over there.
Yeah.
That's why the blood clot girl blood clot burn down your house. But you got married small island girl and left me good hole out here. You remember when you used to cry sweet dirty Gula? You remember how you kicked me off a sea view bed? So you want to fuck me in front of my family all the way out there? You dirty blood clot Gula. You look at one finger jack pussy clot you. You should have sucked my pussy by the tail and say you bite it out. Dog! You gonna come back here wanted. You little thief, your thief my pussy all the while. 7 pick me, you give me a run, go and left me good, go me be a blood clot.
Pussy, yeah.
Look at you with the black stiff food in my hole at night time, I ram out my hole. At night time, I fuck to see him like a back way shot. Why you do it, John Crow?
Yeah,
I said you left, you're mad, you want mad, see me mad now.
Yeah.
Me mad now to blood clot.
Yeah.
Look at me now,
Yeah.
dirty Gula. Me mad. Crazy motherfucker. But me can tell you blood clot something dirty Gula. You see if the water never did it and the sea never did it. New York here I come and shoot out your blood clot. Cause daddy gun there. And you say you buy one, but remember lucky cause anytime you come to Jamaica your life is blood clot mine.
Yeah.
Remember that.
Ugly Gula.
Ugly dirty Gula favor some sperm.
Nasty Gula.
You favor when puss collection and monkey love bone. When you was alive you never have no occupation. No, you want cigarette for this, you know. You come in like the walking dead and the standing cemetery Gula. Apart from a blood clot hole and stop for my hole. Cause you over there bumbo clot for every minute you grind your teeth about your scientist. You're really scientist to get one day visa.